It's a concept of persons working in the clinical area or clinical health staff who are undertaking roles in leadership. And these roles are the typical leadership roles. Setting direction for the organization, defining the vision, the mission, and the values of the organization, inspiring this vision within the organization, promoting the values that the organization wants to aspire to, and most importantly, using their experience and skills as clinicians to ensure that the needs of the patients are central and are met as the organization's objective in their delivery. So we've talked about the key issues: motivating the people, inspiring a shared vision, promoting the values of the organization, empowering the people to do more, creating a consistent focus on the needs of the patient being served. Patient at the center of the care system. And I think that is what we are looking for. It is not to maintain high standards, it is to generate enough force in the system to transform the organization, the healthcare delivery system, so that we are able to achieve excellence in this area. We need to have the patient at the center. And that is why we need clinicians to be in leadership. There is a strong opinion out there that clinicians cannot be good leaders in our facilities. And this is very rife in the House of Parliament, on both sides of the divide. That is the word. And we've been bombarded with this for a long, long time, that clinicians are not the right people to be in leadership. And we should allow others. In fact, a few years ago, most of the chief executives were appointed for 2 years. Is that not the case? Yes. This was to prepare the way to bring in management contractors to run our hospitals for us. And most of these contractors being considered were foreign contractors. So they were going to franchise our facilities to these contractors to run. There's evidence now that says that clinicians as leaders are the best to run our facilities. And we should get this evidence across. I will trace a little historical to that. Let's look at pre-independence era, the colonial era. The doctors were routinely leading the healthcare system. Then, in the district system, in the colonial era, the district commissioner was the #1 citizen. The #2 citizen was the medical officer. And in the absence of the district commissioner, the medical officer acted for the district commissioner. The pay, I'm being told, of the chief medical officer was much more than the governor of the Gold Coast. So the recognition was there at that time for the leadership role. It also, in the healthcare team, was not in doubt. Even in 1948, when the UK created the National Health Service and created the tripartite and the quadripartite leadership model, the Ghanaian leadership pattern did not change much. So the medical officer was still at the helm of this. Of course, in the 70s and the 80s, this tripartite system also was introduced into Ghana, but still at the head of it was the medical officer. I'm not saying that the medical officer is the only clinician. I'm only tracing the historical antecedent. At the district level, we had a district medical officer of health and a city medical officer of health within the cities. In selecting hospital leaders, I think that is where the difficulty came, that they selected the most senior person to head the hospital. And I think this process created some reluctant leaders and ill-prepared managers for the facilities. And we saw a big change also when the Act 525 was introduced. A lot of the leadership positions were expanded, eligibility was expanded. So you had appropriately qualified health professionals to take the position. So the position of the doctor as a key person was diluted. And I think that also is not only eroded the doctor's role, but also the clinician's role. And then the people rise for qualifications to get into these positions without being immersed in the system adequately. We've had some opportunities for training. GIMPA had a course that was West African bound. We had people from English-speaking West Africa, and when you meet Nigerians who say they had their training at Green Hill, they were very proud of that program. It's still running, but it has seen significant changes, and it has lost its international appeal. I know that in recent times, KNUST is also running programs and labor are running programs in this area. In the past, significant effort was made to build capacity to run our hospitals. And examples are on this panel. You were in Boston to be prepared to go to Confanoche and Tamale. And Asare was in Leeds. Sagoe was also in Leeds. Of course, the big boss, he taught me in Liverpool. Okay, so these opportunities were there. There were study tours, people identified to go to areas abroad and locally to learn from this. But I think currently there's a trend which is becoming worrying, the politicization of our management positions within the health system. I think we should fight to put a stop to this. I'm not targeting any particular individual, but I think we should move away and get the right people, advertise the positions, train people, let people go under training to be prepared to run this in line with extensive research findings across the world.
Thank you very much. Any leader who has no mission is receiving the good book that without mission my people will perish. And you have to also have your mission, and you should also promote the values of the organization. And you use your experience and skills. So experience and skills is very important. You spoke about physicians or clinicians taking up leadership position. And he spoke why physicians or clinicians should and why they become good leaders. But it doesn't say that if you just take any clinician and put a clinician as a leader. If you do that, then you defeat the whole attitude. So the most important thing, as he rightly said, is training. Training and training. So if the person is well trained, then he can fit that position that we are all looking for. And he has taken us through the historical background. I think over the years, clinicians have lost their position even in the country. Why he didn't even say that the chief medical officer those days was the only one who can send the governor home. Because it's a matter of writing or sending a telegram those days that the governor is not normal upstairs. And the following day, the governor will get a telegram that they should come back abroad. So they were treating them very well and with all the respect. I believe that immediately they changed the name from District Medical Officer of Health, Regional Medical Officer of Health to District Director and Regional Director. Then every director is a director. And that's what it came in. But when you are talking about clinical leadership, maybe that's something that we have to mention. It is not that we are saying doctors. Even a nurse who is leading a ward or a department or a directorate is also a leader. He's leading, he's a clinician. A pharmacist who is leading in the pharmacy department is also a leader. So when we are saying that we are using the word clinical in perspective, but the only important thing is that the person who leads the hospital should be a physician. Because the only person who has patients in the hospital are physicians, isn't it? If the patient belongs to physicians, it doesn't belong to any other person. That's the reason why we all believe and strongly believe that a leader in a clinical setting is a physician. So that way I will leave and then ask the floor if anybody has any contribution or any questions for the next 5 minutes. If you have any question you want to put, I can say the floor is open for such contribution.
You said a lot of clinicians took leadership position when they were not properly immersed. From my experience, I think that's a very loaded word. And there seems to be a critical immersion that when a clinician is not immersed to that level, you can give him training, he can hold all the flashy certificates, but they behave goofy when given the opportunity. You've seen too many bad certificate holders brandishing as clinical leaders. So please, I would like you to emphasize that point so that we don't run the course of certificate holders, who create problems, too many problems. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Abdallah, a resident at Kolebu Teaching Hospital, Neurosurgery Unit. The issue of clinical leadership, I have seen documents which tend to show that when doctors lead, especially in hospital setting, they do very well. And also my experiences elsewhere, I've seen surgeons, physicians lead in hospitals, including private hospital. And when they introduce the director of the hospital, he is someone who is really on the ground and working. Currently, what we have in our country, where you have very young people after medical school leave to go and read public health, and then rise through the ranks because of the certificate they hold and sit at the directorate of some of our institutions, such a way that the person sits at the top and doesn't even know what happens in the various major departments of his hospital. Should it be so? Should public health really be the standard or the specialty that we look at, or someone who has actually gone through rigorous clinical training, including fellowship, and has undergone leadership? Should they be the ones we really should be looking for, such that the person design this time and say that Monday I'll be visiting medical blog, because medical blog, they hold their general meetings on Monday. I want to know what happens there. Tuesday, and joins in the ward round. Take some time off what happens in the office and spend time. And I feel that this is what really clinical leadership should be, and not what we have. But I would like to also know your mind on that.
Okay, the two questions or issues are linked. And I believe strongly that it is not about the paper you hold. It is about the term my brother used, the immersion. There's a study that I came across, it says by Fanconi and Satian, 2008. It says physician leaders who have spent years as medical practitioners and acquired integrity. That implies that they have learned the walk and they are walking the walk. This level of immersion enhances the credibility of the physician and also his integrity. So going through the mill, going through the system, public health should not be the certificate that qualifies you into management, but you should have gone through the levels. You were in office, so you went to Accra. So I know. I never went. But these people who have been to the various levels, I know the former Deputy Director General for the bridge, also did his work, also in Offiso and other districts before moving up into there. But if you shoot immediately after house job, go into a program and then boom to the headquarters, you miss a lot. And going through the mill prepares you into those management positions. And I think the example is clear even on this panel. The way people have been, who are here, have been prepared through the system. They didn't read all my story. I also went American with this man. We were all in Nigeria, the same state, and we went through the system. They came also back through the district system up to the region before ending up at the headquarters. And those are some of the immersion we're talking about. Not baptism type immersion. It's immersion in the system. Again, getting a fellowship. There's also fellowship in public health. It does not qualify you to be in that. I believe that you must also specifically go through management training or leadership training. Those are important. And you must also tune your mind to be part of that system. Come and apply the various principles. I went to the Ghana Health Service and I found the Director General's vision, of course, the organization has a vision, but upon assumption, he also declared a vision for his tenure, and he has them clear there, and everybody has to align to those things. Person in that position must be a master. He should have some level of personal mastery over the critical issues and also the management issues or leadership issues. He should be able to apply all these in his work. Sometimes we are, I think, we get derailed if you already limit yourself and the only thing you are holding is the certificate and not continue to start ticking boxes when the clinical area has been left without help. Okay, that's what I think Dr. Abdallah, you were trying to say, that people must be able to even go through the clinical system to know, attend meetings and all that. Very important, because I'm not using only Kolebu as the example. If you sit in that big office up there, you can forget about what is happening in the whole system. I have been into that office for a long time. I didn't know it had a view of the hospital because there's a curtain. So one day I went there, the curtain had been removed. I said, wow, what a beautiful view. But if you enter that place and you see that, you can't stay in that office alone. Yes. You need to move out there. And those are the things that should draw people. But if you have the curtain drawn, you can even work like they don't exist. And I think that will defeat the clinical. You can be a medic, you can be a pharmacist, you can be a nurse, but with that curtain drawn, you can open yourself in that office and never know what is happening out there. And build clinical leaders who are in touch with the clinical area, who understand the issues and are willing to follow the
Thank you very much, Dr. Sagoe.